Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily download Instagram Reels on both iPhone and Android. So without any hesitation, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to the Reel section. Once you're there, find the reel you want to download and click on the share option. Then click on the download option and your reel will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can easily share this reel with your friends. So let's check the gallery to see if it has downloaded. Let's go. You can see that the video has been downloaded. Now you can enjoy your favorite Instagram Reels offline and share them with your friends anytime. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on social media and tech. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.